Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òlògbón Méjì descends from heaven to earth. The three Awós mentioned at the beginning of this chapter were the ones who performed divination for Òlògbón Méjì before he came to the earth. He was advised to make sacrifice with a duck to his Ifa, a tortoise to his head, Ori, and a he-goat to Esu. He was asked to make these offerings because he was going to become the recipient of all the intellect of the divinities upon arriving in the world. That is how he earned the name Òlògbón Méjì after completing the sacrifice. Upon arriving on earth, he was at the service of all the principal divinities. He served the divinities in turns and was able to learn their ways and secrets. When he gained his freedom, the divinities subjected him to various trials, which he passed thanks to all he had learned from them. This is why anyone born under Otrupon Meyi in Egbudu must attain the understanding of all the principal divinities in addition to Ifa, namely Ṣàngó, Òrìṣà, Olókun, Esu, Sanpona, etc. He became so skilled that others began to learn from him. He had many children, houses, and a large clientele.